Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of Miller upon the beat, and as you can see, pan on the floor. Blam Blam has been exposed. People putting in the comment section what you think about them. Did you expect this reign to last a little longer? You know what I mean? Because I'm not gonna lie, we've been seeing what Blam Blam look like, but it look like, say, him upset one Dolly wicked. And now she's leaking all of his information, including his passport, picture and info, you feel me? As well as video footage of him, sleeping on her floor and all these things. Cause, I'm styled up the girl wicked earlier today. So this is just her retaliation, you see me? You know what I mean? Yeah, like and share the video from now, and let's get into it.
Stinking boy. Stinking nasty boy. That is stinking germs. You can blood clot fuck with me, dog. You can't fuck with me, drunkra. Eh? Dog shit, me I go looking at me blood clot and look when me buy your ticket for come a blood clot. When me book your ticket for come a Atlanta, hold on. Expedia. Suck your mother Batty blood clot, boy. Drunkro. And me book your ticket for come a blood clot Atlanta, dog shit. Dog blood clot shit. Trips. Stinking dirty dog. Sign into your account. Maybe every time me sign in on my account. Drunkro. You can blood clot deal with me suckud boy. Stinking nasty boy. Don't fuck yourself with me. Dirty stinking big mouth, laba mouth, dirty batty boy where I take hood in your throat. So you want to probably suck me man cock. You is a batty man. You is a batty blood clot man. Me not coming over here come look taps or roses or give you fuck with the wrong blood clot somebody dirty boy. When you fuck with people, don't fuck with people you call your friend. Remember, if me never me blood clot left myself careless and loose. If me never if you never blood clot, know me you could come and dish out my business. Me know you me can dish out your blood clot business too. Cause you don't know nobody, you're broke. Oh my God, that is stinking now. Besides, I want, but I want to fish you out with you. Oh, your mug and puny. Boy, people give you one. If people even blow up on your blood clot, you drop a ground. If people even blow up on your heart, you drop a ground. Look a stinking boy. You ever the warm up your body wall ever hot. You ever want your body wall to cool out. As you come at me here, they warm up your body wall and tell me if you looking like drunk. Me and me freshener them with your stick on in your toilet bowl. But Dev, I want make this year my body wall burn me so dirty boy. We are take fucking in body wall. You stink like dog. Don't fuck yourself with me. Me a dirty somebody and me this and me that, but yet you come on me head, come spread off on me floor and me blood clot blanket, dirty dog. I mean the blood clot look pan and me turn up over him. So me have a screenshot you know you can't post the video. And me stand up over him. Cause he ever the videos as in come and phone a video the video. You don't have nothing stop blood clot post money from years ago. Stop post all money and come and chat up and try size up with people stinking boy. You stink like shit. You can't size me. But me get evic. You're bright, no blood clot. You stink like a load of shit. In video where your blood clot, see where the person I talk about that make me blood clot move, because I never want you know where me live. Me could have more than pay, me not pay nothing. Me not pay nothing and that. You know blood clot beat me because me not pay the rent and me move. So what? You fucking dog shit. You try to set up people against the people and then you're a fucking informer. You don't know nothing. You be a liar, come plot pan people on social media. Be a plot, you plot lies. People girl lie. Look here, Atlanta, me they go a girl yard. People. Upon the earbed, me blow up. And every time me I say, damn, stop living in my couch. You want to sleep in my couch. And me say, sleep in my earbed. Because me don't like people lie down in my couch. Me not like people living in my couch. Because couch is not something where people wash every day. People live in your couch and they start make your couch frownsy, dirty, leaky body boy. Remember your body ever have stain pan is stinking boy. Stinking nasty Damario, stinking dirty dams. Your uncle Asela exercise out your body hole from your pitney. You're dieted body man. You not like woman. You fucking drunk, bro. Me did expose you. Me did expose you. All you they carry on. All you they carry on. Me I say, God no. And me dog make him go and do him. I do me that. Me I don't so stay. But no, you're getting too fucking far. You get too blood clot far. You stink like shit, but people, as in go life black him, kind of look closer for me. One of you stop black people when people they talk and something. If you listen to when other people come and talk, and that thing don't want because he don't want the truth. He ate squash because he can't go in the man them links. That's why he ate 6 man them. He ate the people them. That's the reason why. If he can't get the link with it like the rest of artists them, him begs and try to bring bill bill all type of shit, animosity or whatever against people are so insty. All drunk crow. When if you listen to other people and then come TikTok live and talk about him who know him. He love telling about people black them, make them go suck their mother, go. Because she know say no want the truth to reveal a so in stay. I don't know how which school the dog shit used to go. Leave me a blood clot lone man. Me can't want one store, not even 1 year, want one next store. That do me thing. How much $1 million for me store? And you go connect, try bring me the and throw dirt for me name. Okay, not now sell. 1 and 2 slippers dry rotten. Me don't know how long if people sell them have the slippers them America. And me buy them, me get a bit of NI sticker, so you go in and buy and sell. I saw it go. Who have business headed and going a business? No, say I saw it go. Yeah, we buy a pack of pencil for your picnic for go to school, and when you every sharp night, every writing you write them broke cause the pencil dry rotten. What you say? Jamaican people not supportive. I mean, ain't go do that with them. I mean, ain't look nobody support. Me just open the store and say, "Cho, me I do something." Look for me store. Me build out me store from scratch, empty shell. Nothing in my store no fake. Me have tell Farah Mark Jacobs and Twerberch and me had pack up now for stone dog. I give where me go give with them. Give with them for stone dog. Me not even sell them. Me have designer for stone dog. Stinking nasty boy. Then I brickly little stinking nasty boy. If this is called cranny blood clot, dirty boy. Come on from me blood clot name all drunk crow. The look all dirty boy not even facial ear. The look all pussy wall not have this Batman looking blood clot. Gay shot thinking looking boy. And the farm me pussy wall the farm. That's why it look so. Stop size up with people because you don't have nothing. You they use it. You they use the artist. The man that try to live off of feed them name to get cloud. Oh, remember that there's somebody that love me. Oh, remember somebody that sang that for me. You can't only trick people who don't have no sense. We're talking about logics. Look a stinking boy, you broke like a dog, you not have dry shit, or you have schemos. The $30,000 what I the stimulus check them where your blood clot gishina where must you put a one part or one place. Me even know where you say money, the drunk crow. Which chemos? 30,000 like can buy schemos, pussy. And they talk about blood clot Bianca. Blood clot Bianca people them sell your land for must see 80,000 drunk crow. Show your land, show your title, stinking boy. Remember your talk say pile in a Bianca Batty hole. Remember your talk say pile in a the girl Batty hole to show you your Batty fetish. Why you warm up the girl Batty hole and look for why in the dog shit? Stinking boy. You cannot talk to me, dirty boy. Stop spread rumor and propaganda upon people named dirty boy. When I broke your country, chastise and bring down people. You better if you ain't come ask me for your loan, cause you know me would have give you. You know me would have give you better if you ain't say Dev. Lend me one money till XYZ no. You gone too blood clot far. Me talk to you, me say, damn, it's time you take, I go on TikTok and argue with people and they trouble people, brother. Go and go do some work. Go and go do some work. Me always I try to encourage you. Me never come to look nothing from you. Me never they call you down, they beg you nothing. You're too fucking mixed up. Everybody will laugh with you and pretend with you. I might stop them and look for you. Me not blood clot look nothing from you. Stinking boy. love enemy so till. You don't see boy gun pan vado name, gun pan people name, people them not trouble you. But who you mix up? Stinking boy. The man them to run your way. You're too wicked and evil and set up and bad mind and crubbishness and envy. You spoil. You sick stomach. Hungry belly dirty boy. Cause stinking blood clot, boy, that's depend me name, so depend me and my man name. We not there, nothing, no, we not there. But through your first saying I have no money, you decide, say, oh. Stinking boy. Labamouth boy. Stinky, me just can't believe this such a dirty boy. Me have to come over here. They go on real. Yeah, post something name. Bro, me left the apartment because you know why you know where me live. Stinking boy. First of all, when me move from down, there's a dirty drunk crow. Remember say things in front of the apartment and that storage. Stinking boy. You call me, they beg me them dirty batty boy. Yeah, me say my ugly, see my warmest blood clad pitney mama have. Ugly, he ugly a blood. When me see woman nice brown pitney them, me I say where this a blood clad creature you come from? And where this a cannibal ugly looking mamba clad? Me I wonder if they must blood clad switch him. A hospital, can't mama pitney this. Me say boy, yeti mother. Somebody cannot wish death upon their mother. Somebody cannot wish death upon their mother. Somebody can want say their mother pregnant. I carry one little daughter. So if our mother get all and sick, having little daughter can wipe him body and change him pampers and take care of him. Cause you don't have nothing to do with your mother. You don't class your mother and deal with your mother like a dog. And the first thing you come and do, I wish for you pitney dead in your mother belly. You is a dirty, nasty, stinking boy. And people come and support you and they laugh up and skin teeth with your dirty, infame, blood clot self. Stinking dog shit. Every single day you upon people name. Yeah, destruction and crosses. If me not mix up people who know me in a real life, know me not mix and mingle. Then just hear of doves, authentic people. Authentic people don't know me. It's a handful of people know me in a real life. You don't talk about her for a long time and a long time and a country days. Oh, you take down this way, moderator them day.
Sorry.
Blood clot country days. Me and mine man and Bill awesome for sure blood clot you say. I know today me think pan a level. Don't fuck yourself pussy. Your bad mind I kill you till you deform. Helium head, big headed, bubble headed, ugly blood clot, retarded pussy, batty fetish, batty man, stinking, dirty nasty, dirty breasts, dirty boy. Your bad mind, me man, so bad. can ever clean. Yeah, wonder, oh, you always so clean. Cause the boy now can tell you when he make him money or how he make him money. That is your problem. Oh, you talk for your life to show you contradict your blood clot self. Oh, me I make money, but yet you never see me at work. Oh, you see me at work and me you not the one place. Oh, you not the one place. You not know what me do. So oh, you know what me blood. Oh, me I make me money or what me I do. You don't know if I cut me the sell or pussy me I sell. Stinking boy. You deform no blood clot. You look like somebody who's one hot sour orange and rusty pan fire and fling you and lick you in your blood clot head side dirty boy. You stink like shit. You can't blood clot style me, dirty Damario. You can't style me. And you fuck with me, your case number next. And you fuck with me, your address. And you fuck.
Yeah, and this is just part one of many. You can find the first part on my King Mix-Up channel, the one you see in front of you. But subscribe to all of them because we're going to upload the other part of them, you see me? Yeah. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, press all there for you be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.